Hello friends, now let us start with learning the new rules of the valency cards of elements using the new cards. So let's start with the first element, hydrogen. We can see here what all information is given. So we have hydrogen in both English and Hindi, atomic number 1 यानी परमाणु क्रमांक 1, चिन्ह H, the symbol is H. Then we have information about the electronic configuration, that means how many electrons are there in which shell, along with certain information like atomic mass, atomic radius, common valency, electronegativity, and properties like how many electrons it can give, take or share. We also have information about its position in the periodic table, that is its period and group number, along with physical properties like whether it's a metal or non-metal, whether it's solid, liquid or gas. So these are very basic informations of chemistry, without which it is very difficult to progress or appreciate the subject. So how are we going to learn about the patterns in the periodic table? So let's first divide the whole game in two parts. So in the first part we will focus on the information which is on this side of the table, that is atomic number, symbol, electronic configuration and the position in the period and group. Okay, so first let us do a quick view of some of the elements and say out loud the given information. So hydrogen, atomic number 1, symbol H, electronic configuration 1, position is period 1, group 1. Aluminium, atomic number 13, symbol Al, electronic configuration is 283 and periodic table classification is period 3, group 13. Nitrogen, atomic number 7, symbol N, electronic configuration is 25 and periodic table classification is period 2, group 15. Chlorine, atomic number 17, symbol Cl, configuration is 287, period 3, group 17. So like that we can look at the different elements and we can see a pattern that there are certain grouping based on the number of electrons in the outermost shell, or what is called as the valence shell, and hence the name of the game is valency cards of elements. So what is can we tell about the valency? We can see, for example, like lithium with electronic configuration 2,1 will prefer to give one electron. Sodium with configuration 281 and again with outer electronic configuration being just one electron only, prefers to give one electron. And again potassium with 2881 has only one electron in the outermost shell, would prefer to give one electron, and hence they are all grouped together in group 1. Group 1. Group 1. Similarly, when we see beryllium, it has 2 electrons in the outermost shell and the rest are empty. Magnesium has 2 electrons in the outermost shell, that is in group 2, and again calcium has 2 electrons in the outermost shell, it's again in group 2. If you see for example oxygen, it has 2 gaps in the outermost shell, so it can take the 2 electrons. Similarly, we can see for sulfur, it has 2 electrons in the gap, so they are all grouped in group 16.